Hi, I'm Jagan Lee from Wipro IT team. This video is about what I've done for the custom Apphack competition. I've been interested in traveling across many states of India. So one day I wondered if there are many people like me, then how many people are traveling or where are they all from? So that's the idea that I've started working on this website. What I'm going to show you is a data visualization page about tourism industry of India. So my focus was to see more interactive form of the tourism data. The data source I'm using is from data.gov.in, which is bunch of open data supported by government that we can trust. So let's take a look at my website. The first page is about introduction of trend in data visualization and telling you about what this website is for. I have linked a couple of videos that may give you an idea about data visualization. And this is second page. This page is to show the tourism industry of India today. We have two different data sets. The number of foreign travelers and the number of domestic travelers. In number of foreign travelers, if you see in over last 20 years, it actually increased by 376%. And what's interesting is if you see the domestic travelers, the change of domestic travelers, it actually increased exponentially by 1,276%. And we can probably switch it over the other one to compare with the foreign traveler and domestic traveler and see the difference, and we can also see the details of each year by hovering on the line. And next page is transportation. This page is to show the types of transportation that foreign travelers are using to come to India. As you can see here buttons, there are three categories like by air, by land, by sea, which indicates flight, car, and ship. And each transportation has 8 different years to show different allocation. And for example, in 2013, by flight, the Finland has the biggest portion, and next is Turkey, something like that. And you can switch over to the other year and see the difference. You can also change to by land and by sea. The next page shows the view of the total number of travelers based on their country. Each rectangle indicates one particular country. For example, this is UK, and this is USA, and this is Bangladesh. And if you hover your mouse on particular country, you can see actual number of the travelers coming into India in this 2013 years. Like previous page, we can switch over to another years and see how the allocation actually changes. And the next page is more focused on each state than the entire country. As you can see the page, there is an India map, and if you hover your mouse, you can see the name of state name, and if you can also click onto the map, and it dynamically draw the histogram on the right side, which indicates the number of travelers change in 10 years. If you are interested in Andhra Pradesh, just over on Andhra Pradesh, it'll move to there, or Maharashtra, or you can click Goa, or if you click same state, it'll again zoomed out. The last page that I think is the coolest data visualization page that shows the number of registered service provider based on its state, and the size of circle actually indicate the relative view over the other states. For example, this big green circle indicates Delhi, and this blue next second biggest circle which indicates Mumbai, Maharashtra. And you can drag it up and play around sometime, which always move to center of the page. Again back. If you want to see the regional view, which has north, south, west, east, and northeast, and as you can see, these are all distributed in different 5 regional points, and by state, as you see, all of these circles are distributed to each state. And as you might notice, the color is decided based on their state's name. And for example, in Tamil Nadu state, there is biggest circle, which is Chennai, and the other one Madurai, Salem, and Udupi, something like this. With this visualization, you will have more fun, and you can actually interact with them by clicking region, total, again back, again just directly go to state, and sometimes you can play with it. This is the last page that the visual tourist we have, and I have left the link below in this video. Just click and play with this page, and then see you in the core stone.